Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this tutorial we will be talking about that how you can enable or disable location services in Windows 11 computer. So let's go ahead. The first step is that you should right click on the start button here, go to settings, and after that on the left side you will find privacy and security option. Left click on it, and on the right side scroll down and find location. Here it is. Again left click on it. Once you click on it, you will see there is an option from where you can turn on or turn off your location. Here it is, depending on your preference. Once you turn on your location, you can also choose the apps which can access your precise location. For example, I am allowing weather or news. So that's it. This is a way how you can enable or disable location services in Windows 11 computer. And underneath it, you can also see the location history, and you can also set default location, and you can also view your recent activity. So that's it, guys. This is a very simple method that how you can enable or disable location services in Windows 11 computer. I hope you liked this video. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for further tutorials. Take care. Goodbye.